Productive. Productive. Meaning: generating a significant amount of output or yield. The highly productive team finished the project ahead of schedule. I had a very productive day at the office today. Related words: prolific, industrious, efficient, effective, fruitful, purposeless. Purposeless. Meaning: having no purpose or aim. He felt lost and purposeless in his life. He engaged in purposeless activities to pass the time. Related words: aimless, meaningless, futile, replacement. Replacement. Meaning: something used in place of something else. Always carry a spare replacement charger for your phone. We need an immediate replacement for this broken window. Related words: substitute, alternative, successor, backup, stand-in, run down. Run down. Meaning: in a state of disrepair or neglect. The rundown neighborhood was in need of some serious renovation. The rundown building had been abandoned for years and was now a safety hazard. Related words: ramshackle, shabby, dilapidated, decrepit, derelict. Submissive. Submissive. Meaning: obedient, compliant. She had a submissive attitude towards her boss. His submissive nature made him an easy target for manipulation. Related words: obedient, compliant, docile, successful. Successful. Meaning: accomplished, achieving desired results. She had a long and successful career in medicine. He built a successful business from scratch. Related words: achievement, prosperous, fulfillment, victorious, fruitful, suited. Suited. Meaning: appropriate. He is well suited for a managerial role. Her skills are perfectly suited to this job. Related words: fitting, compatible, appropriate, adaptable. Superfluous. Superfluous. Meaning: exceeding what is necessary. The report was filled with superfluous information that made it difficult to read. We need to cut down on superfluous expenses to balance our budget. Related words: excessive, redundant, unnecessary, temporary. Temporary. Meaning: lasting only for a limited time. Using duct tape was just a temporary solution to fix the leak. He took a temporary job at a local restaurant while studying. Related words: transient, interim, provisional, ephemeral, makeshift. Unrealistic. Unrealistic. Meaning: not in accordance with reality. She had unrealistic expectations for how quickly the project could be completed. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and frustration. Related words: fantastical, impractical, unattainable, unused, unused. Meaning: not used or treated. The company had many unused resources that could have been put to good use. The basement was full of unused space that could have been turned into a home office. Related words: dormant, untouched, neglected, usable, usable. Meaning: able to be used. The data collected from the experiment was not usable due to errors. The new software update made the application a more usable product. Related words: accessible, practical, functional, used up, used up. Meaning: completely consumed or finished. We have used up all of our resources on this project. After a long day at work, I am completely used up. Related words: depleted, exhausted, spent, useful, useful. Meaning: able to be used for a practical purpose. The travel guide provided useful information about local restaurants and attractions. The spreadsheet program is a useful tool for tracking expenses. Related words: beneficial, practical, valuable, functional, helpful, useless, useless. Meaning: serving no purpose. Most of the data we collected was useless information and had to be discarded. Trying to convince him to change his mind was a useless effort as he was determined to go his own way. Related words: worthless, ineffective, pointless, futile, vacant, vacant. Meaning: not filled or occupied, empty. The developer purchased the vacant lot to build a new shopping center. The company is looking to fill the vacant position of marketing manager. Related words: deserted, empty, unoccupied, valuable, valuable. Meaning: having great worth or importance. The diamond necklace is highly valuable and should be kept in a safe. The advice she gave me was invaluable in helping me make the right decision. Related words: desirable, profitable, scarce, precious, priceless, vibrant, vibrant. Meaning: full of energy and vitality. The artwork at the gallery was vibrant and colorful. The vibrant crowd cheered loudly at the concert. Related words: lively, dynamic, colorful, animated, exuberant, worn out, worn out. Meaning: exhausted, used up. He refused to buy new shoes until his worn-out shoes had holes in the soles. She had a pile of worn-out clothes that she was planning to donate to charity. Related words: exhausted, shabby, depleted, dated, fatigued. What is the meaning of the word? Suited. The answer is A. Appropriate. Which of the following word means something used in place of something else? The answer is B. Replacement. Which of the following word means full of energy and vitality? The answer is A. Vibrant. Which of the following word means in a state of disrepair or neglect? The answer is D. Run down. What is the meaning of the word replacement? The answer is B. Something used in place of something else. What is the meaning of the word useless? The answer is D. Serving no purpose. Which of the following word means obedient, compliant? The answer is C. Submissive. Which of the following word means lasting only for a limited time? The answer is C. Temporary. Which of the following word means not used or treated? The answer is C. Unused. Which of the following word means having no purpose or aim? The answer is A. Purposeless. Which of the following word means appropriate? The answer is C. Suited. What is the meaning of the word unused? The answer is B. Not used or treated. What is the meaning of the word used up? The answer is A. Completely consumed or finished. What is the meaning of the word useful? The answer is A. Able to be used for a practical purpose. What is the meaning of the word worn out? The answer is C. Exhausted, used up. Which of the following word means completely consumed or finished? The answer is D. Used up. What is the meaning of the word vacant? The answer is B. Not filled or occupied, empty. What is the meaning of the word temporary? The answer is C. Lasting only for a limited time. Which of the following word means exhausted, used up? The answer is D. Worn out. Which of the following word means exceeding what is necessary? The answer is B. Superfluous. What is the meaning of the word superfluous? The answer is A. Exceeding what is necessary. What is the meaning of the word usable? The answer is D. Able to be used. What is the meaning of the word purposeless? The answer is D. Having no purpose or aim. What is the meaning of the word submissive? The answer is D. Obedient, compliant. Which of the following word means generating a significant amount of output or yield? The answer is C. Productive. Which of the following word means not filled or occupied, empty? The answer is C. Vacant. What is the meaning of the word productive? The answer is B. Generating a significant amount of output or yield. Which of the following word means serving no purpose? The answer is D. Useless. Which of the following word means not in accordance with reality? The answer is D. Unrealistic. Which of the following word means accomplished, achieving desired results? The answer is C. Successful. What is the meaning of the word valuable? The answer is C. Having great worth or importance. What is the meaning of the word successful? The answer is C. Accomplished, achieving desired results. What is the meaning of the word run down? The answer is D. In a state of disrepair or neglect. Which of the following word means able to be used for a practical purpose? The answer is C. Useful. Which of the following word means able to be used? The answer is B. Usable. Which of the following word means having great worth or importance? The answer is D. Valuable. What is the meaning of the word vibrant? The answer is C. Full of energy and vitality. What is the meaning of the word unrealistic? The answer is B. Not in accordance with reality.